Yep, you alright?
Yes.
I don't think I hit.
You blind?
We'll just pull over, just check.
Thing is, I don't know how they do it.
Yeah, the blinker fluid, dickhead.
On a television show.
Hey, dumbass, put your blinker on.
You know, the dog's collar, they chain them by their...
Hey, you turn at traffic lights.
Worry about driving than an idiot.
What the hell are you doing? Fucking stupid old fart. Fucking idiot! What the fuck are you doing? Fucking pull over!
Were you born an asshole, or did you work at it your whole life? Either way, it worked out fine, 'cause you're an asshole tonight. Yes, you're an A-S-S-H-O-L-E, and don't you try to blame it on me. You deserve all the credit. You're an asshole tonight. You were an asshole yesterday.
It's going to be the big storyline over there in the UK. They'll be dominating. Chelsea have got Raheem Sterling from Man City. Man United have still got Ronaldo. Hasn't gone anywhere in the end.
Play
after all of that. Well, that's the thing. Will he play?
What's the issue with this?
What a fucking knucklehead. It's a 50k zone, you knobhead.
Champions League, and Manchester United hasn't made Champions League, which is like the best teams in Europe, and he wants to, I think, be the leading goal scorer.
Oh, I smell something funny. Oh my God, it's the shitbag titty fuck of the week.
the coach of the day, the coaching move of the day for TC Boxes, home for trays, canopies and toolboxes.
Well, I think both teams have come in and been able to stick to the plan. I mean, for the Hawks, just their ability, I mentioned it a few times, on a windy day like this, the margin for error in executing the skill is really small, and they've been able to play quite a highly skilled brand of football today, exploiting the Dogs' zone defence and just calming
don't be a dickhead, mate.
With the plan, and they've been doing it really well. So
Seriously.
well drilled from Sam Mitchell, and then I think for the Bulldogs, that move of Sam
You
Darcy
fucking
forward
dickhead, man.
in the media
Oh, you're a
and it was
fuckhead, mate.
likely one-
A few moments later.
3:20, you can hear it on the channels of AFL Nation on your chosen listening device, and St Kilda and Sydney will follow us here. That's at 4:40. So those are the two games coming up later today.
Oh, this should be good. Let's see him try to cut him off. Let's see him try to cut him off. Ah, fucking sucked in, cockhead.
His contract following the board meeting on Sunday morning.
Oh no!
Acknowledged the difficult time for Robin and his family, and thanked him for his services to the Essendon football club.
He did make that statement, recorded statement, and as we know, you're forewarned by the police, this is going to be used in evidence, and indeed it was. So he's gone on record, so to speak, with his story.
Oh, gosh, it's damn. I shit my pants. I don't know why I even took that chance. I shit my pants.
Tribute to the Fringe, and they've done some really big, huge, spectacular shows. So they're doing an Aretha Franklin tribute. Yeah, so that's tomorrow. That's at the Arthur Bar.
Capability. All the other lenses let more light in, and as we know, when we have
What the hell are you doing, you donkey?
we've got a better.
Triumph with a broken foot.
To be able to go through what he did last year, it just showed that much courage. Like, if he could get through that, he could get through anything. So, yeah, I'm stoked for him. He totally deserves it.
NRL.
What the fuck are you doing?
It's Victorian.
What the fuck are you doing? You fucking moron! Look at this goose. There's one for you, Scotty. Temporary citizen.
Like lit, I thought I farted, but I shit. Thought I farted, but I shit. And now it's squishy when I sit. I got poop all in my crack and a little on my sack. I thought I farted, but I shit.
What the fuck are you doing? What a dumb bitch. Idiot. More.
Raj, move your fat fucking ass!
Fucking disgusting. Yep. If it drops. There! Shit! Oh.
It's like this. Got him. Dash cam. Here we go.
I'm not paying for any of this.
Motherfucker. Oh, and that's red! You dickhead.
Oh no. What's the passcode? Go left.
Go left.
Alright.
Go right. Go right. Yeah. I see they blocked it off here.
Oh, come on, Mr. Possum. Come on, Mr. Possum. Get off the road. Oh, you idiot. Oh, Scotty. This guy's a road hog. Oh, this guy is going to be... Come on, dickhead. Oh, my... He's a candidate for shitbag titty fuck of the week. All over the fucking road. All over the road. All over the road.